Hello everybody, this is Archangel 007 back on YouTube. So if you want a link down below, subscribe to me. It's my channel down there. Well, today I want to show you, it's called Wave Keyboards. It's new, it just came out. So let's click on that now. I got a whole bunch of them. Let's go to Skeleton. Just let it load for a few, and then I'll apply it. I will teach you how to get this in a few minutes. It's easy. Just go to your Google Apps. Say no. Go, yeah, you see, Skeleton dancing on your keyboard. Yeah, go to your Google Play Store. You'll find it there. It's called Wave. Download the Wave, and then you start downloading all the themes, which I have a few themes right now. This is something cool that I like. And yeah, you could also text whatever you want. I just spelled anything. Oh, sorry, put two E's. Well, this I'm about to text right now. This is where you can find me at on YouTube. Is Arch Angel and 007. That's where you can subscribe to my channel. But so far, yeah, I'm gonna show you some more right now. They got a lot of cool stuff in here. Look at this is Flames. They got a lot more, a lot more. I'm sorry, they're saying this one's burning. I'm sorry. As you can see you know, the live action behind the keyboard. It's awesome. Yeah, they got the equalizer. It's pretty cool. I'm a DJ, so this is something I would use. But for other people, yeah, it's pretty awesome. Text whatever you want. So, yeah. I think I have this one. No, this is regular. Yeah, that's something else. It's called Go keyboard. But so far, this is from Wave. It's live animated behind your keyboard or whatever. But it's awesome. It's new. It just came out. Later on, I'm gonna do another review of Wave versus Go keyboard. But here goes another one is Waterfalls. This is pretty neat. I like this too. Wow, we start off with the H and S and yeah, it's pretty. The Storm, we have Storm here too. I'm gonna teach you in a few minutes how to get there, what to do. I mean, basically, you should know how to go to Google Play Store, but yeah, it's pretty neat. This is nice. I like this right here too. But yeah, there was something else that I had here. Oh, this one. Oh man, this is awesome. I also have another one in green. There's still more I want to get, but these are the ones I just got right now. But it's pretty awesome. I have a green one. I think it's up here. Here it goes. Green light. That's pretty neat. But besides that, the blue one is more, more cooler. And there's tons more. The only thing with this right here, I think it will kill your battery powers fast. And also, I keep pressing the wrong one. It's burning. I keep putting flames. I'm sorry. Yeah, I think this is the duration for your battery will go low. I'm not too sure, but basically anything that's live wallpapers or anything that has to do with animation, I think it will kill your battery a lot faster. But it's pretty cool, so this is something I'll keep, as for fun, you know. And yeah, it's neat. I like it. But this is my favorite. So I guess I'll keep this. All right, guys, I'm gonna keep that one as my keyboard. You know. Oh, also, let me click on that. As you can see, they be clicking down here. They got the smileys. They have tons of smileys. They got, I think, more features in here for smileys and the emojis. And it's all random stuff. It's not the same way as the emoji as your if you have Go keyboard. It's not the same thing. Everything's like all together now. But yeah, they have more features. Before they used to have a little puppy. Now they have the whole body of a puppy of the pugs and stuff, and the whole body of a kitty or whatever it is. But it's pretty cool, you know. This is like my favorite. All the little stuff that I've been writing, you know, stuff on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and all that stuff. But yeah, this is pretty neat. But other than that, yeah, if you want to change, oh, another thing, you see these little widgets up here. I think these little buttons, whatever that is up there. Little, just click on it. I'm gonna click on the last one, which looks like a little person. So, yeah, this is how you get to your contact as fast. Let's go back to my keyboard. This right here is a calculator, and I think the next one, it has to do with, you know, calendar, reminder. This one has the red one. I think that's your internet, and then the yellow one is just, you basically know, is a search. And just the best part of this that I like is that little brushy thing with the blue one, because it actually cleans up. You know, it cleans up all the you know, to boost up your phone. You know, as you can see what I'm doing right now. It boosts up your phone, and it's pretty cool. It makes your phone more faster or whatever. Now, as you can see, that the wave next to it, if you see it says wave, just click on that, and click on that, the wave. I'm trying to click on the wave, but I think I can't do it while I'm on this. But let me just get out of here, and let me go back home. Try to see, let's go to search right here, and I'm gonna try to click on the wave, and the wave should pop up. There you go. And see, I know I couldn't do it when I was on the thing. And have a whole bunch of other little features in here which you could click on. You could resize your keyboard, so and so, but I kind of like it like that. So yeah, and let's go back to wave. You could also take out the animation, you know what I'm saying? So let's go back on that, and then let's see. So you could just have it regularly. They got the vibration, so when you type in, it vibrates. They have this key sound, which you click on it, you can't hear nothing. So once you click on it back, you can hear the actual texting. Yeah, it's pretty neat. It's a lot of things in here that you could just do. I think right here, yeah, this is where you could change your other your little themes of whatever you want on your keyboard. And this is a share. As you can see, you can share it on Facebook, give it a like, or send it to somebody that, like one of your friends or relatives, and for they could download it as well. But let's get back to what I was gonna show you before. I'm sorry, I have a whole bunch of stuff open. All right, right here, you go to, you know, the Play Store. You open that up. You search for Wave. Wave. Let's go to Wave Amps to see what's this right here. And this, I know, this is just Wave. All right, let's put Wave Keyboards. And all right, here goes. This Wave Animated Keyboard and Emojis. Click on that, which I already have it already. And just go back, if anything, and, you know, Wave Animated, and put themes. The themes is where you get a whole bunch of cool little things. I already have installed some of it. Oh, hold up. What's this dark rainy thing? Animation. I want to check this out. This looks pretty cool. Um, yeah, I like this. This is nice. And also, this also it takes out a lot of megabytes as well. So I won't be too crazy downloading every single one of them. That was like my mistake I did last time with the Go keyboard. I download with the Go keyboard. It doesn't hold that much megabytes. You know what I'm saying? But this right here does because it has a lot of animated features, you know, like the GIFs or whatever that passes by, or stuff like that. But I'm gonna download this real fast, and I want to check that out. I kind of like stuff like this. They have a lot of cool stuff in here. Check around here. They probably has some more. These, let's see if you can see it says live wallpapers. These are actual wallpapers. I'll do that later on. But as for now, now that I see it, I want to download this fucker. Actually, do a video later on. I like stuff like this, and this flame too. I could download this flames. I don't have to go to it. And you see those little buttons. Just click on it and just install it. While I'm waiting for this one to install. So I have a whole bunch of cool stuff installing at the same time. See where it says animated? These are the stuff that you could actually download for the keyboard. You'd be surprised with what you find in here because they have a lot of neat stuff in here. A lot. So while this is downloading, let's check around and see what else cool stuff they have. Star rating animated. Nah, this is something that I'll have my wife get. And this, little fishy aquarium thing, and they got a whole bunch of girly things for girls too. Not for me. I like cool flaming thundery things and skulls and stuff. That motorcycle animated thing looks pretty cool, but yeah, for me. The volcano animated keyboard, it looks a lot like the flames, I think. But what I'm thinking is it would look more like floating lava stuff. Let me check it out. Let me see if I'm right on that. Sorry for my phone being too lazy, that I have so much stuff on my phone. Yep, I knew it. Yeah, it's more like, yeah, they had a basketball on fire. That looks pretty neat. This is something my nephew would get because he's a basketball player, but I'm not really a fan of sports and stuff. Mine's just like, I love UFC and stuff like that. The mummy dance, huh? Nah, something I'll get for Halloween. Check this out. Let's go animated. I seen this earlier and I liked it, but I don't know. You could also read before you even get it, because they will tell you how much megabytes it runs. But I mean, it eats up from your see 12 megabytes. But it's pretty neat though. All right, let's get out of here, and hopefully it should download it, which you can see right here. It says dark, rainy, blah blah blah. Let's cancel. Let's see. There you go. Let's open up my Wave keyboard settings, and I'm gonna apply that right now. And I want to see how it actually looks. This we will find this popping up from time to time. Just put no thanks. Just give it a few, and voila. Oh, it's alright. Thought it was gonna be something real amazing, but it looks cool. I like the way the black looks. It looks alright, but it's not that much of it's not as much as I don't know. I'm not too sure that I really like this one. I just like the way the black looks, but it's like you can't hardly even see nothing. I mean, you see just rain drips, but I mean, it's cool if y'all guys like it, but as for me, I don't really don't like it. Um, I haven't found a way how to uninstall it. The only way I know how to probably uninstall it if I was to like go back to Google Store and just uninstall it from there, I guess. Yeah. I won't uninstall it because it's not something I would really use. But yeah, we'll waste my gigabytes I have in here. Now I have to find it, which is right here, and just uninstall it. All right, guys. That's it. I guess. Hope you like my video. Subscribe, give it a like, share it, and let the world know what's new. Um, I'm gonna check this out before we leave. It's like this live wallpaper stuff. And check out my other videos on my Galaxy. Samsung and Android fans like me, but you know. Let me check this. I'll apply this to wallpaper. Let me see what this is about. Has a whole bunch of advertisements. Okay, what's this right here? Let's see this right here. Woo! I like this. So this is gonna be my next video. All right, guys. I hope you enjoy. See you later. Let's give it a second. I'm sorry. I'm trying to see how everything will actually look. I was too well, actually, I don't see my things. Oh, there you go. Ooh, this is nice. Well, see you later, guys.